Give your Toyota Corolla a stylish interior upgrade with our lavishly designed custom fit seat covers. In this video, we will show you all the steps for a simple install. The front set has 7 pieces and offers 2 backrest covers, 2 bottom seat covers, 2 headrest covers, and a center console cover. The rear set has 3 pieces and includes a solid seat bottom cover and 2 backrest sections to accommodate 60/40 split seats. Now begin by reclining the front seats and removing the headrests. Then, from around the back and under the seat bottom, disconnect the original factory seat flap. Now place the seat bottom covers on the seats. Feed the buckle clips through the crevice to the back side and tuck the fabric into the crevice. From the back side, pull the buckle clips and fabric out from the crevice. Now, from the front of the seat, you will notice the metal bar, which is used to slide the seat back and forward. Grab the straps, stretch them over the metal bar and underneath the seat bottom to the back side. Then from the back side, pull the straps out and connect the buckle clips together from under the seat. Tighten and secure underneath the seat bottom. Now use the foam push bar on each side of the seat bottom and insert them into the side crevice of the seat base. Then tuck the fabric in to secure. Now grab the elastic loop on the inside side of the seat and slip it around the seat buckle for added security. Next, stretch the backrest cover over each seat. Then insert the 2 loops with metal hooks into the crevice of the seat and tuck the fabric in. From the rear and under the seat, attach the metal hooks to the frame underneath the seat bottom. Reconnect the original factory seat flap and then attach the cover to the backrest by fastening it with the hook and loop adhesive strips and pressing down to secure. Now tuck the fabric under the headrest base. Reinsert the headrest and slip on the headrest covers. Next, you will need to disconnect the rear middle seat belt by simply using a car or house key. Insert the key into the slot on the buckle to release the belt. Then slip the belt out of its holder so it doesn't get in the way of rear installation. Now recline each section of the rear backrests and slip on the backrest covers, making sure to tug the fabric down the length of the backrests for a snug fit. Then insert the hook and loop straps into the crevice of the seat bottom, pushing through to the back side. Fold the backrest sections completely down, and then grab and pull the hook and loop straps upward from the crevice and fasten each one to the back side. Now unroll the cover with the adhesive side and fasten it over the seat to secure the cover in place. Next, completely remove the rear bench seat bottom by pulling upward on both the right and left sides. As you can see, the metal clips are released from the plastic inserts and can be pushed back into place when install is complete. Now you have 2 options to install the rear bench cover. Option 1, keep the seat in the car to install. Or Option 2, remove the bench seat from the car, place the seat bench bottom on a mat, and install the cover outside. Now start by stretching the rear bottom cover over the bench seat and line up the cutouts with the contour of the seat. You will notice 4 buckle straps. You will feed the 2 straps on the left and the 2 straps on the right into the middle intercut holes. Then flip the seat upside down. Then connect the 4 buckle clips together, adjust, tighten, and secure. Now stretch the elastic loops with metal clips along the underside and attach each metal clip into the foam bottom. Next, pull the hook and loop straps through the same 2 inner holes, one through the left and one through the right, and fasten them together in the middle with the adhesive sides. The finished underside of the seat will now resemble this diagram, complete with 4 buckle straps, 4 elastic loops with clip hooks, and 2 adhesive straps. Finally, reinsert the covered rear bench bottom back into its upright position. and press down to pop it back into place. Make sure to tuck the fabric securely around the seat controls for a real professional look and a secure, snug fit. And that's it! Now you can ride in style and comfort with your newly installed and stylishly innovative custom fit seat covers.